Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to day 16. Today's asanas are going to help in increasing balance as well as stability and stamina in our bodies, as well as increase strength in our legs. So we'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight, chin is parallel and closing our eyes. Noticing the air move in through our nostrils all the way to our lower abdomen. And as we breathe out, we're going to pull our navel back. Exhale completely through our nose or mouth. Whatever feels natural to you. Breathing in again once more. And exhale. Open your eyes slowly. And we're going to come on to our knees and palms. Wrist beneath our shoulder, knees beneath our hips, toes behind. Now we're going to push our seat towards the ceiling, drop our waist, gaze forward, chin forward, chest forward. And as we breathe out, pulling your navel in, pressing your palms into the mat with either engaged toes or keep it flat. Press your knees and your legs into the mat. Now as you breathe in, once again, inhale up, and as you breathe out this time, go round and sit back. Stretch everything, chin to chest. 2 more of this here, breathing in. And as we breathe out, trying to bring our hips towards our heels. You want to, you can always keep your knees wide. As you go to sit back. And come forward. Engage your toes. Bring your feet up. Now bend your right knee. Press the left foot here. Just pedaling it out. This time, raise both your heels off. Bend your right. Push your left heel towards the mat. Again, both heels come up. This time, drop your right, bend your left. Once more, heels come off. See if you can bring your chin towards your chest. Look at your knees or toes, belly, and back. Drop it down. Both your heels up and back. Now, walk your feet and palms to come to the center of the mat. Breathe in. Come all the way up towards the ceiling. Breathe out. Again, halfway lift, Ardha Hasta Tadasana. Just to kind of warm up your back, deep bend in your knees. Rest your belly between your thighs, crown of the head in the direction of the mat. You can hold, straighten the knees, arms with your palms, hold your elbows, and you can sway side to side, shifting your weight, trying to collapse your whole body, your upper body, towards your thighs. Notice a stretch in the back of your legs, in your lower back. Breathe in. Now we're going to roll and come all the way up. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling and bring it down. We're going to go to our first balance. Now we're going to do Vrikshasana. Bringing our legs either to rest on the other or taking it all the way and placing it on the inside of your thigh, keeping the right knee open. Hands can either stay at your waist. Keep looking at a point on the floor. Once you're stable, your hands can be here. Just explore what works for you. And you're going to stay here for 3 breaths. And 3, release your hand. Again, hands in prayer. Sit back into your Utkatasana chair pose. Hands can stay here. Or you can take it all the way up, straightening your back. From here, we're going to wrap our right leg over the left, still sitting in Utkatasana. Now, if your left leg is down, place your left hand, wrap your right around the left, one time or twice. Push the elbows out. Stay here for a couple of breaths. And out, release your hand. Hands come all the way up. Open your legs wide. Toes pointing straight ahead. Breathe in. Reach your hands up. Uttitha Tadasana, star pose. Bend at your waist. Trying to bring the crown of the head towards the mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale. And down. My legs are not really wide here. Trying to bring your belly towards your thigh, crown of the head towards the mat. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale. Here I'm going to fold towards the left side. Breathe in and breathe out. Parshava Prasarita Padottanasana. From your wide leg side bend, slowly come all the way up. Release your hands, bring your right towards the left. Shake your legs out. Now take your left on the inside of your right thigh. Come to your Vrikshasana. You're going to stay here for 2 more breaths. If you feel like, take your hands all the way up. 2. And 1. Release. Drop your left feet onto the mat. Breathe in, reach your hands up. Breathe out, sit down into your chair. Staying here for 2, 3, and 4. Now right leg stays on the mat. Wrap your left around your right. You can bring your hands to prayer. From here, keep my right hand, wrap my left around my right. Sit into your Garudasana. Straighten your back. Push your elbows out. 2 and 1. Release. Release your hand. Legs goes out. Step your left leg out. Breathe in. Stretching your hands to the corners of the room. And as you breathe out, fold forward. You can go slightly wider this time. Fold forward. Trying to bring your hands onto the mat. Again, inhale. Halfway lift. Exhale if this is not an option. Hold at your hip crease or thighs. As you breathe out, trying to bring the crown of the head towards the mat. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale to the other side. Trying to bring your chest in the direction of your thighs. 2 and 1. Come back to center. Breathe in. Reach up. Bend your left knee. Bring your right to join. One last time. Breathe in. Raise your heels off the mat. Breathe out, turn and look towards the right side. Heels are off the mat. Back to center and towards the left. If you come off the pose, just raise your heel up. Notice one side may feel different than the other. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Come to sit. From here, we're going to roll down slowly onto your back. Hug your knees towards your chest and rock side to side. This time, bringing your knees on top of your hips, the soles of your feet pointing towards the opposite wall. Just tilt your pelvis slightly so that the lower back is resting on the mat. Stay here, keeping your lower body engaged. I'm going to take my hands, placing it all the way behind me. As I breathe out, come up, reaching my arms towards the ceiling. 2. Your whole core is engaged. Don't drop your chin to your chest. And 1. Hug your knees as close to your body as possible. Turn and twist towards the right side. Knees higher than your hip crease, wherever your legs go. Look over your left shoulder. Just remember to rest your shoulders onto the mat. Come back to center. Close your eyes. Back to center. Release your arms. Release your legs. Supta, Uttitha, Tadasana. Close your eyes. Breathe in and exhale. As you exhale, just collapsing your whole body into the mat. One more deep breath in. Drawing all the energy that surrounds you. And as you exhale, completely relaxing into the mat. One more breath here. Deep breath in. And exhale completely. Now bring both your feet together, arms come to rest next to you, close your eyes. We're going to take one deep breath in and chant Om. Om. Stay here as long as you want to, feeling completely relaxed and rested. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice. I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to this channel and get more of your family and friends to join you in this journey. Namaste.